What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today it is probably about 60 degrees. We got winds of 17 miles an hour. Very windy today, but we're out here on Little Sugar Creek down here by the golf course, and if the wind gets loud, I apologize now because it is very windy. But we're down here, we're going to try to get on some smallmouth. We got some night crawlers. We're going to try to get on anything that really bites. And sorry that I haven't been making videos here recently, guys. To be honest, winter is not necessarily my strong suit. Tried to get out and make a couple videos, and then I ended up, my SD card ended up messing up where I would record the videos, but there would be no video when I would go back. So that sucked. But today I'm out here and we're definitely trying to make a video for y'all. Whether I catch fish or not, this video is going up, and honestly I can't wait till this summer because we're gonna make a lot of videos, y'all. Just hang in there, stick tuned. I promise I will always keep more content. I'm sorry it's not real steady. Still getting used to everything, but enough of me talking. We're gonna get strapped up on the chest mount and we're gonna get casting. What's up, everybody? Get a drink of my Mountain Dew here. As you can see, the creek is roaring a little bit. It's a little faster than normal, but we're still gonna try and do this. So to start out, we got the Abu Garcia Silver Max rod, which I got for Christmas. Awesome reel, perfect beginner, perfect thing to start off with. I would definitely consider getting this. It's only 60 bucks. I got it on a Shakespeare Excursion rod, 20 bucks, so 60, 70, 80 bucks for both of them. Not bad. We got a Rage Tail Structure Bug, I do believe what they call it. It's got a little bit of blue in there, just a little bullet weight, and that's all the self plastics I have, minus a ribbon tail worm because I forgot my tackle box at my dad's house. So other than that, we got the spinning combo, which we're going to throw some worms on, but we're going to try this out first. Fish on. Check that out, y'all. Fish number 7. Perfect hook set. So far, I think 5 creek chub and 2 sunfish. school. Oh, I even see some bass. There's a school of fish down here that have finally noticed that every now and then they've noticed that feeding's going on right here, and it's attracted some bass in. I'm kind of hoping I might land one. Looky there, y'all. Fish number 6 or 7, I do believe so. Biggest fish of the day. Another bluegill. Barely missed his eye. Check that out, y'all. Nice. Fish on. Hold up, y'all, trying to get the hook out. We gut hooked it. Another little quick choke. And man, I see you really go. Another little quick choke. There you go. Big choke. To be honest, I don't think he's gonna make it. Yeah, he was bleeding a lot. Got another fish, y'all. Another sunfish. I think a bluegill. I'm not sure. Nice little sunfish. Perfect size for eating. Kind of wish I kept all of them so I could take them home and fry them up and show you how it's done, but didn't plan on it. But gonna get this little guy back now and continue fishing. And if y'all haven't already, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe if you want. It really means a lot and helps a lot. Gonna keep these videos coming and stick tuned, and we're gonna catch some more fish. Let's get to it. Got another bluegill. Another nice bluegill. That was a nice bluegill. It's probably like what? I'd say at least our 10th fish, maybe. I don't know, I'll have to go back and see.